So I had plans to tape a couple of videos today, but my timing, as usual, was just really bad today. We, of course, went out for ramen, and then we went to the stores, and then we really did just have like a later start to the day, unfortunately, especially since we were hanging out with a few of our friends last night, with some drinks, and we were playing games and stuff, and it just went on late at night. I realized as I'm getting older, I guess I'm not even that old yet, but like I can't really drink that much anymore, unfortunately. So I'm not super mad about it. It is what it is, but I really just have to be careful about like the amount I'm consuming. Right now, I'm actually getting ready to start filming my video for a look. It's probably gonna come up before this vlog comes out, just because I'm trying to switch things up. Really just testing the waters on how I want to do things on my YouTube channel, but this video that I'm gonna film is gonna be the rest of my Coachella look video. Originally, I had pretty much the entire video planned earlier this week, and I was supposed to put it out this week, but I just like felt so discouraged filming it like midway through, and I just was not feeling myself, and I was like, you know what, like I don't want to put out this video like with me feeling like trash, me not having much to say, me just not being in a good mood. So yeah, I'm continuing it. I'm very excited actually. I've had more time to like really think about like what I'm gonna like do for the video, so yeah. I guess maybe that's just part of filming sometimes, is what I'm learning as I'm going, is that there are definitely days where you just don't feel like doing it, and I know you just have to kind of push through it at times, but sometimes you really just can't, and that's okay. I'm not gonna like hold myself for it. It's almost 7 p.m. and I think when I did it the last time, I started around 7 too. I really need to get the ball rolling in filming this, so I'll see you guys in a bit. I've never had cheese curds ever, I don't think, and these are super delicious. Super good. poop. But I'm gonna meet one of my old friends from high school for brunch. So I'm running pretty late. Pretty excited. Haven't tried this place yet, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, there's actually a marketing agency that's like right behind. Is it kind of like a smaller business or is it kind of like a larger? Oh my god. Seriously, so freaking tired, and I don't even know why. The cats were napping. Now it looks like Soka's awake, and then Rooney is sleeping on the little window perch there. So cute. I'm watching American Idol right now. It's like Disney themed performances. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. I haven't seen American Idol since I was like in middle school. I think the last season I remember was when Scotty McCreery won, the country singer. And I want to say that was like back in 2009. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day just editing this vlog, putting it together and everything, and then some other stuff online that I kind of just need to do in general. I really appreciate the amount of love and support I've been getting so far. It's just very rewarding working on these projects of these videos, putting it out and like having you guys just watch it, you know? Like, I don't know. It's just cool, you know, because I've always wanted to do YouTube, and it's like, I mean, even if I don't make a career out of it, like it's just fun making videos. So I really appreciate you guys again. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. I forgot to say it in the last few videos that I have posted, so this time I'm actually remembering. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.